Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2019 Peugeot Expert. Now this one has 51,000 miles upon the clock. It's a medium wheelbase, 6-door medium-sized van, and it does come to you with hands-free cooling, as well as cruise control, a 6-speed manual transmission, 3-part leather seats, as well as air conditioning and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, along with other forms of Bluetooth connectivity and radio upon the screen as well. Now I will just show you the load area in the back. As you can see, it is ply lined with a nice matting upon the floor as well, and I will just show you this space from the back as well. This does also come with parking sensors, which also comes up as in a diagram upon the screen. This also does have a clean, undented and unscratched bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Peugeot Expert, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. It is in the description of this video as well. But you can head to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more.